Welcome back, guys, into part 2 of our Bitcoin marathon that we usually do to backtest our setup. As you can see already on the top, if you remember, the previous one was not, the first part was not good. We started with a nice 5 loss streak. Of course, 2% each trade came out to be now at minus 9.59% of our capital, as you can see also here. We're going to continue. This is exactly the backtesting of 20 trades. You already know the rules, and we're going to see to try to do it better than the last time. But anyway, so on Bitcoin, what we were trying to see, we fought in this area with there was a nice sell that we missed because there was no setup, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, here I don't know why I didn't enter, but anyway, we're coming here with a liquidity grab. It's the same day, the same Tuesday. We got a liquidity grab, we broke above. I was trying to sell here, but we didn't get with the spread to 30 pips exactly. And we're going to see now. So on the high time frame, we are still very bearish. I don't think we have anything on the left hand side anymore. We have this one where we bounced off exactly at 32,250. So this will be a make or break point for price to continue down or to bounce back up. We have to be aware also of this PSA for further buys if we see a clean breaker retest, or we can take advantage of buys up until that level. So this is exactly why. So this is the make or break point, and the lows are here, 32,250. So let's start and see what is happening, and we're going on from there. So okay, 1 minute. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, this is okay, closed Asian session. There's only London session now. Lower wick, flips bullish, no lower wick, unfortunately. No lower wick. Let's see if this one was a nice fluid sort of. Let's see what time did it flip. Yeah, in the last, as you can see, it's flipping in the last few seconds. So this is possibly the concept that I was talking about here of grabbing liquidity in the last few seconds, and we can take some high risk, high reward buys here. Okay, not the best price action. We got here, we got to 17 pips. We want a break above the PPL to continue. Okay, very nice. I still see bullish price action. So For now, there is no reason to close it at break even, to put the stops at break even. Now is much worse. Yeah, this might be when we take the the trade clearly didn't work out, so I put it at break even, and I'm not getting stopped out. Okay, as you can see, we avoided a loss, which was completely unnecessary after all the price action that was showing. So 6 is a break even. Here, okie dokie. Do we have? So now where we reacted, okay, more or less there. So this is this price action. Okay, this price sensitivity area. I will take cells below here. Okay, pullback. Bouncing off the PSA and the PPL. Okay, so let's see if we have a nicer sell setup coming in. And this was on a live candle, is really nice. It's closing weak, but also the last few seconds you see how it got rejected. Let's see this one. Small volume, top weak. Okay, makes that if it makes a nice body, I would enter here. There you go. There you go. Nice loss. Okay, so looks like so far price is into this range, but yeah, it's not showing strong trending. Yeah, maybe here, maybe this one. So we don't even have 30 pips to go back to that range. We are playing on this one. Was a nice trade setup in insight. This candle at the PPL is really nice in insight, of course, but do we want to take this continuation? Yes, we do. Not the best price action, indeed. I mean, the setup is good, it's just that the price action is awful. I really don't understand why. Yes, we are in a range, but I mean, these are all breakouts. Okay, price is staying below now. Do we have further opportunities? Where are we on the high time frame? Why? You needed to go there. So yeah, it's not a lot of volume, but we have this huge rejection on the hourly candle. We might wait for the candle close or a break below these previous lows. Let's see. This looks very similar to this one. We created a flat candle body support, but this is just it's a guessing game. The new hourly made a lower wick. Break and retest. $30 pips to the top. Let's see. Strong rejection with like 20 pips, not even 15 pips. Yeah, very strong bearish action. Probably to go get out here for a small loss. Let's see if we get this further bounce. Again. Okay, so now we have 9 and 8 at 25 pips. Yeah, let's see, we should get exactly 30 pips, both break even, both 80%. There you go. If these are made a lower wick, I would enter. Yeah, for sure, these two. 9 win, 10 win. Okay. This is a nice one, but I want to see more volume in the candles. Okay. So these two were taken out at break even, and it's fine. Price is just ranging. We should be in New York session. Nice candle setup, but it's not the price action that I want. $15 pips will be around here, right? Will be below, will be at this level. Which means that I would have yeah, very small room is the first stop. If I see further exhaustion, I can consider entering. For example, here 15 pips will be below the PPL, and we're playing the guessing game again. No, this time I will not. I will wait. Good choice. This was a nice candle. I mean, we are still 18, 16 pips. Just look at the price action. Top week, flips bearish, below the previous lows, but we are still, yeah, the very next one is not giving us the opportunity to enter below this level, unless we put a sell stop, which we might also do, like for 3 pips away. Nope. Well, we're coming. We'll wait if we have better opportunities. Good choice. Okay, nice. Why I didn't take the entry is because we had this strong support here on the hourly time frame is the one that I showed you. So not want to sell into resistance. Let's see if it makes a lower wick. And then flips bullish with a nice body. Small body, small volume. We will be likely playing the momentum. So this candle close, right? Okay. Let's see the next one. Lower wick. Not too strong. Yeah, no entry. Okay, so now this is a nicer candle breaking below these previous lows, but we are at the PPL. So you have these lows. The first candle breaks below, and the very next one makes a top wick and then flips bearish. Let's take it. Okay, very nice. Okay, very good. Almost at 30 pips. Of course, there's no reason now to take the full stop loss. So I'm going to put it closer. Still no partials. I wait these 4 pips. This is due to the spread, but I will take it at 30 pips. At 28. Okay. Actually, wait a second. Yeah, we'll take at 30 pips because I'm like, if I add the automatic. Okay, no, just a second. Okay, so break even, partials 80%, and this is a nice re-entry for me. Yeah, for me it's a nice re-entry. Okay, let's see how it goes. So this one is was the first TP, which was at 60 pips. is it, and then we get the second one. So first we have 11 win, which is the first one, and now we have 12, which is also a win. Now as you can see, break even, close partial, 80%. Let's see if we have further continuation. Now we are at 45 pips. $51. No, I don't want to close it. I want to, as usual, modify, stop loss here. And let it go. We don't have further entries actually. I mean, now of course I cannot enter here. Possibly this candle was a nice entry. This one breaking below, possibly another entry. This one I'm still in time, 20 pips. I was, but okay, we got stopped out at in profit, and so we are in win. Let's see if we have further setups or we are rejecting this area. Nice candle, bullish, and then closing bearish. Also in the last few seconds, very high risk. You probably didn't get stopped out for like one single pip. Nice. Oof. This huge correction is not good. So now we are at 25 pips. Yeah. This is a nice candle actually. The point is we want to take the full stop loss, the possibly full stop loss, but we have also the opportunity to have a retest of this area. Or after going at break even at 25, I don't want to take it the full stop loss. And now, no, I don't want it. I don't want this because otherwise I'll get stopped out anyway, and I don't want to risk it. Nice candle in continuation below. The point is, do I want to enter? We have a top wick made. So we have now the 13 and possibly the 14. So 13 is the one is live. Don't double down on the same trade idea. So this is a much nicer. So we are now up 20 pips, and I want to enter here, breaking below, and we sell. This one goes to break even, and we close the partials, 80%. So we have the number 13, which is a win, and the 14 that is live. Let me, okay, 7L, 8L, 9 to 13 win. Okay. Now that we have further confirmation, this one is at break even. This one we have the stop loss. It's fine. Okay. I will do one thing. Since we have this further trade risking, I will take this one at 3 to 1. Oh, there's no need. There's no need. I can just trail the stop loss so that we can cover the price of this second entry. Okay, as you can see, it's a way better. We put the take profit at the next PPL, the stop loss as an edge here. The first one is not at break even yet. It is now. Break even, close partials, 80. We got a win. Very good. So this is at break even. Okay, this is the TP of the first one. Okay, nice, very good, very nice price action. So this one. Okay, stop loss trailed, stop loss trailed, and we are good to go. Okay, both stopped out at in profit, and it's very good. So this is always good to go, secure some profit. And we got a nice run here. We got a really nice run. Nice indeed. This was a little bit sketchy. This entry would have been the best one in insight instead of this one, but I'm not going to complain. Okay, so we are now at 14 trades, and yes, remove it, and let's see. Nice, very high risk and reward. What are we playing is the rejection of the candle, but we are still in a very bearish trend. The point is that it can stop everywhere. Let's take it. Wow, it's really high. No, I don't want it. Nope. Yeah, we are very high from the PPL. No, I don't like it. Yeah, you see, you have no room. If this one makes a lower wick and then goes up, you get it stopped out anyway. So for example, let's see if we got stopped out here. Yeah, you see, it has the smallest reaction, so that's why I don't enter. I mean, we would have been stopped out anyway, but okay, it's good. Nice one. top wick. Nice candle body. So 15 pips will be in the middle of the range, and we know it. We have this strong support. We needed to overshoot a little bit. We are at 31k. Now I will need, due to this area, I will need one more convincing candle. Oof. Nice not to sell at the bottom. If this had made a lower wick, I would be more happy. Okay, make me a lower wick. Nope. If this one, instead of pushing up, made a lower wick, then I would have entered here. Yeah, you have much more range compared to here. Nice one. Let's see the very next candle. Lower wick. Nice body. We have a nice range to fill. Let's take it. Yeah, price action is slowing down here a lot. We are like 10 pips. Yeah. We leave it. The point is, do I want, of course I don't want to take the full stop loss, because we already had the retest. So I'm not interested in seeing again. If I see it again, I prefer to have like a 5 pips stop loss. I don't want to retest it here. Not going to break even. Yeah, actually go to break even. Yeah, better break even than getting the loss after such a price action. 15 VE. Okay. Yeah, I mean, what's the point in taking the full stop loss? Where was it? It was here. Now, if it bounces again, I will re-enter. Not a really kind of setup. Much nicer. Now, since I'm not in the trade, I mean, if I still was in the trade, let's see, yeah. Before I go to break even, here. I am not able to see clearly that candle setup because I am scared. I don't want price to go down. Instead, I'm able to see this candle setup. Okay, bearish, continuation bearish. The only thing is that we are against the previous highs, but we're breaking below here. The main trend is bearish. The candle is still bullish. We got a huge rejections from 31 flat. What range can I play? Yeah, 20 pips. No, I prefer to wait. This is a nice candle because now the trend is bullish because we got this huge rejection. We have all this liquidity. We cannot not see this. We cannot see what I was exactly talking about. These highs played out perfectly. Yeah, let's take it. Yeah, it's not the best, but with 4 pips spread, you cannot do much. Okay, not the best price action, but still. Okay, yeah, not the best. Boom. 16 loss. The point is, yeah, not the best, but where do we go out anyway? I mean, you go out here after the bounce, so maybe now is grabbing liquidity. You go out here with a small loss, possibly. Yeah, price now is ranging. Where are we as a time? I don't have it. Nice candle. Lower wick made. Yeah, nice lower wick. But really small body. So lower wick, new. Possibly here. I'm not going to take it because here 4 pips. Yeah, but yeah, 30 pips. Let's see. We don't have any opportunity above this PPR, right? It's not giving me. Yeah. Yeah, you see, this is one completely fortunate candle. 245 pips would have been nice after this little candle, but it didn't make a nice body. If it made a body like this, I would have entered. Okay, let's go to the next day just to refresh ourselves. Okay, nice bullish price action, much more volume. As you can see here, we made all this way up. We're now reacting at these previous highs, 33, but we also have this flat candle body support that we can base ourselves on. Nice candles now, very good. This, we put it over here. Yes. Let's see. Nice liquidity. Exactly here. And then closing above. Let's see. Let's not see. Was in the middle of the range. It was completely a mistake because we are in the middle of the range and the PPL. Lesson learned. Okay. No top wick. I like this compression, but we are in a huge PSA on the left hand side. Yeah, I'm not liking it at all. Pew, pew, pew. Pew. I'm not liking it at all. Much nicer. This is a much nicer candle. This would have been the best one. Closes below, makes a top wick, and then flips bearish below these candle bodies. 15 pips is too high though. Yeah. I'm not allowing any retracement, because if it goes here, it gets stopped out. Yeah. And I have this safe range. 20 pips. This is a very strong bearish candle indeed. The point is that to the next PPL is, I mean, where will he find support? If he finds it here, then it's good. Let's see. Yeah, now after this one, I'm getting out. Yeah, we just survived the first one. I'm not taking the second one. See you. Bye-bye. 6 pips. Plus. Okay. Yeah, probably this one, just to see, this one would have been stopped out anyway. Nope. But I'm out here. Yeah, now I will be stopped out. Yeah, so no reason to take the full stop loss. No candle setups. Let's see if it breaks below the PPL and the candle bodies. Nice. Top wick. Go down. We're still very high. If we go to the next PPL, yeah, this one was the day before. Yeah, candle setup is there. $20 pips. No, here I get out. I don't like the price action. This is a small win. Like this one was a small loss. They sort of like break even themselves. 19 small win. What is I'm learning to trade manage, which is I think better. Thank you. Look. Oh no, actually was good. No, I don't have to. This is not good practice to go and see where I would have been. We got out here. But this one isn't it a good entry? We broke below the PSA. We broke below the level. Yeah, we broke below these previous weeks. Yeah, is that the only thing is that we are too high. So if we enter here, yeah, let's see. Yeah, we got a loss. Oof. We sold at the bottom. But anyway, 20 loss. Do we have any other opportunities? This one's nice. This one is nice. I'm taking because these two are sort of the same. Let's risk the last 2%. Not a nice candle. Let's move the stop loss closer. Yeah. Absolutely not liking it. Yeah, I don't want to be in this price action. So anyway, the last one was useless because we got out at break even, but we closed. Wow, plus 3.7%. If you remember how we started at minus 9.59%, and now we close with a nice plus 3.7%. So we started with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses, 1 break even, 1 loss. So this was not a good streak, but we kept win, break even, loss, win, loss. So we can say that we got 2, 4, 5, 7, 11 L, 2 break even, and 6, 7 win. And we still got a plus 3.61%. So if you see, we have 35% of win rate and we still kept a winning percentage. Very, very nice. See you guys. See you